People who live in Cass County will hear a change when it comes to severe weather sirens. The Emergency Management Agency says those emergency alarms will no longer run continuously.
KETV News Watch 7's Eddie Messel breaks down what you need to know from Plattsmouth.
In Cass County, during severe weather, you used to hear sirens like this. They would go off for 30 to 40 minutes for the duration of a tornado warning, dangerous winds, or damaging hail. However, that will no longer be the case.
We sound them for 1 3-minute duration for the tornado. That should tell people to move indoors or seek shelter.
Effective immediately, Cass County sirens will sound one time per warning per storm cell. There will be no all-clear siren. If a siren sounds again later, that indicates a new warning, according to Cass County Emergency Management Director Chad Cordy.
We're not making this change to hinder anything that we were doing before. We believe this will actually make things safer and not give anybody that false sense that there's an all clear when it may not be.
This policy is not new to Nebraska. It already exists in Douglas, Sarpy, Washington, and many other counties around the state. Omaha's Chief Meteorologist Bill Ramby says consistency is important.
Same thing in Plattsmouth. Maybe you can hear the sirens in Mills County there, but Cass County for Nebraska, one policy, the same as other counties, the best thing we can do.
Now, it's important to remember where we're at. We are outside. These are outdoor sirens. They are not meant to wake you up out of your sleep. They are meant for anybody outside who don't have instant access to another notification method. Now, of course, if you do hear these sirens while you're outside, get to your nearest shelter. And then once you're there, of course, a weather radio or something on hand like your phone to receive those severe weather updates.
I understand that people are used to how it's always been, but when you are continuously sounding the sirens, you don't have a sense for, is the threat still ongoing? Was it all because of the first sighting? Is there a tornado on the ground? So just a lot of confusion with that.
Reporting from Plattsmouth, Eddie Messel, KETV News Watch 7.